Hi everybody, it's Julie, and I have another haul video. This time I was at Target. I originally went there to pick up the flowers for the arrangement I needed to make, and their flowers hadn't come in yet, so I ended up somewhere else. But I found this this tissue paper, and it has that feeling on it like the tissue paper that I had gotten at Christmas time, and it covered the inside of the book, the journal that I made, so well, and I just thought it was really pretty with the blue and the peach. So I actually will be able to use it for a couple of the, well, I have so many of the peach little notebooks. So this one is a list pad. It was $1. This one is, let's see, it was $3. And there's 3 in here. And it says seize the day. Yep, note to self. And let's do this. So again, in the peach colors. So I think that'll be kind of cool to have. And then I found this one, and I hadn't ever seen this one. So it says anything is possible, but look at, it's got a topic and the date and a place to write. And then the side of it looks like that. But and that was $3, and you get 200 sheets. So I love that. That's gonna be fun to play with. Then I picked this up, and this I paid regular price for it. It was $3.99, but I thought, oh my gosh, I love the circles, and then so they'll be kind of cool with this. It's got a theme going on here. I picked this up for my mom. She has the entry of her house. She has blue accents like blue glass and blue pottery, and I just thought, and that's a place that she goes and sits, and I thought that was going to be fun because it says relax. I picked up some more of these bags, and it's really kind of funny because I thought in the light they were copper, but they're not. They're gold. So, oh well. Let's see. I picked these up because I have some swaps to do that are, I think there was a unicorn. Is there a unicorn? Yeah, there's a unicorn. I have a unicorn thing that I need to make. I have all that pizza stuff, so I thought they would be fun. These are adorable. You get 2 sheets for $2.99, but I just thought they were really cute, and so were these. So, okay, and then some gold hearts, and look what they put out in the dollar spot, enamel pins. So there's a kiss me, and there's a shamrock. I got this for my living room, my purple glass. I thought it was pretty. We're finally bringing out our regular stuff. Everything's been put away since Christmas. I got this stamp set that has the unicorn and the piñata. It says so magical, and it's got this little unicorn kitty popsicle thing that says sweet. Okay, so this memo is a memo mouse pad. Oh, I wonder if it's got the thick. Let's see you, what does the back look like? The back is just cardboard. But we've got more of the peach that will look pretty all together. And then these stickers, I have an idea to use these. So that will be coming up. I got these glasses to put in our photo booth, our St. Patrick's Day photo booth box. I got those socks because I feel like I'm pretty lucky. They're pretty cute. Okay. Grandkids will be here for St. Patrick's Day, so I went ahead and got the nail art stickers. And these fun buttons. And these adorable stickers. I bought another package of those. They are really cool. They actually have the tag and the pocket. And there's 20 of them. So I was like, well, I'll go ahead and get there because they're so cute. And they're already made with pocket. Okay. I got this blue thing for my mom. I got these washi tapes were marked down to $2. They have 10.9 yards, so almost 11 yards on them. I have this washi tape here. It has the unicorn, and skate, and cactus from the dollar spot. This was really, I liked this pink and white stripe, and I have some projects coming up that these can be kits, actually, probably even. I got these because they had the beer mug or coffee mug, beer mug on them. So they were fun. And then they had these stained wood beads for $2.78. And look at all of them in there. There's, does it tell us? 300 beads in here. So they're wooden, and they're good colors, good summer colors. Look at that. And I bought two boxes of those. I'm all set. And then I got these cute unicorn stickers. I think they were $2.49, and there's 3 sheets. I opened it up to check to see how many sheets were in it. There's 3 sheets. So I got that. And look at this, a daily telegram in the peach with the copper edge. I thought those were really cute. So now if I could just take the time to make something peach, that would be really awesome. So that is the Target haul from today. And, you know the drill. What was your favorite thing? I really like that tissue paper that started it all. And I love this and this are going to be really, really fun to use. Can't wait to see what they look like coffee dyed too. That'll be fun. So find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Have an amazing day. Happy shopping. Bye.